We planned to start our adventure to Madakaripura Waterfall early in the morning, but nature had other plans.
Bad news. It's like getting so cloudy, and we are afraid the rain will come soon.
By the time we arrived, dark clouds gathered, and heavy rain forced us to stop.
It's dangerous, yeah. You cannot see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Maybe.
We had to wait and hope for a better day.
Husband, what do you think?
Finally, yani, what kind of rain is it? Yeah?
Suddenly stop.
Suddenly stop. We are turning back on the road now. We already decide, yani, how can I?
We were shocked, like directly.
Yeah.
So guys, we are so crazy. We didn't plan to stay. It's ridiculous to come back home because it's been like 2 hours, right? Like it takes 2 hours,
2 hours.
To go to this place, and we are planning still to go to the waterfall area tomorrow morning.
The next morning we set out again, this time under a bright sky. That night, we found a small, cozy hotel nearby. It was simple, but its charm made us feel at home. The place was tiny, yet its cute appearance and warm atmosphere made an unexpected stopover feel like a peaceful retreat. We spent the night there, and as the first light of dawn filled the sky, we woke up to the sound of birds singing outside of our window. It was quiet, calm, and full of promise. After a quick breakfast, we decided not to wait any more time. Today was the day we could feel it. As we drove towards Madakaripura, once again the sunlight broke through the clouds. The river water sparkled under the soft morning glow, looking clearer and calmer than the day before. The golden rays of the sun seemed to tell us that today would be better. It gives us a sense of hope. Maybe this was finally the moment we had been waiting for. But as we reached the parking area, the final spot accessible by car, the sky was still overcast. 2 clouds loomed above, and for a moment we hesitated. The memory of yesterday's downpour was still fresh in our minds. We worried, what if the rain returned?
What?
It's not so good.
What?
Weather. It's dangerous.
Maybe but we are already here.
Now we will go by Gojek. They will pick up us here and drop us to the waterfall. Ready?
But after a deep breath, we decided to take the risk. From there, we didn't walk straight away. We hopped on motorbikes, and the locals drove us along a narrow path toward the starting point of the waterfall track. Surprisingly, there was no one else there. We were the first visitors of that day. It felt like the entire place was waiting just for us. The trail ahead was quiet and untouched.
So interesting, yeah.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. foggy also. But aman ya.
Inshallah, I don't know.
He said like this.
He said if the rain like yesterday, it could be flat, of course. But he will find a way, maybe. Nanti ada jalur evakuasi Pak kalau banjir.
Hah?
Kalau banjir kita ada jalur evakuasi nggak? Ada.
Nggak ada, Mbak.
Nggak ada. Terus gimana?
Ya, tapi enggak kok, Kak aja kok. Enggak.
Dan baliknya gimana dong kita?
Ya, ada aja ya.
Nggak berenang kan kita?
Pokoknya kan pakai komando kan bisa kan ya.
Apa?
Pokoknya ada komandonya kan bisa.
Oh iya.
Dari tempat yang lain mana,
Yeah.
yang aman yang mana.
Yeah. He said there is no evacuation road. Just see. He said that's why you have guide. I will show you which one is safe area.
Allah Allah.
So,
As we started walking, the sound of nature surrounded us, birds chirping in the distance, water trickling down from the cliffs.
What is it?
we go down. We cross the stream.
Oh.
We take that road.
Oha.
The path wasn't easy. We crossed streams several times, stepping carefully on slippery rocks while holding on to what we could find.
We're almost there.
Are you sure?
He said 5 minutes.
Ah, good. Drink water, baby.
I'm getting slimmer.
With every step, the sound of rushing water grew louder, echoing between the towering cliffs.
I'm so excited, guys. I want to see this waterfall. 200-meter height. Just imagine, it's going to be so good for me. And I want to show you also the best view. If it's possible, I will try fly with my drone. If it's possible. Because it's a little bit foggy. I need to check my signal and GPS quality also. I cannot take risk. There's some waterfall there.
Thick layers of moss and vines covered the canyon walls, making us feel like we were stepping into a secret world that few had ever seen.
Wow.
After nearly 40 minutes of trekking through the shallow river and narrow pathways, we finally arrived.
We're almost there. Kita.
We are ready now.
Madakaripura Waterfall stood before us, majestic, powerful, and untouched. It was like standing inside a giant amphitheater carved by nature itself. Water cascaded down from the cliff around us, falling like silver curtains into the pool below. As we walked beneath the falls, our raincoats were not matched for the powerful spray. But we didn't care. The cold water splashing our faces, the roar of waterfalls surrounding us. It was pure magic. We stood there for a moment, just listening, just feeling. completely present.
You are here.
It's like a heaven rain here. It's so interesting experience. I haven't been like this big waterfall before. It's amazing. You feel how powerful the nature, and it's so interesting place because there is a lot of waterfall here.
5, Baba said.
5. It's amazing, like a Tumpak Sevo, but this one bigger than Tumpak Sevo, 200 meters.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wow. The road coming here, do you think it's easy? No. That's why you need some Bapa advice, local guy, right?
Yeah. Papa help us. If there is no Papa, you cannot come here.
It's been a wonderful journey to be here, and we were the first one in the morning time, and it was the perfect time to come here. And we suggest you, if you want to come here, be ready with the raincoats and also your short pants, everything, because you need to walk through the river. So yeah, we had a great time with my husband. Yeah.
Let's
and
go.
Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Let's go.
Let's go.
On our way back, we found a dry clearing where we launched our drones. From above, the view was even more breathtaking. Madakaripura looked like a hidden paradise, encircled by dramatic cliff, with streams of water waving their way through the emerald green landscape. Madakaripura wasn't just a waterfall. It was an unforgettable journey. Looking back, the delay, the rain, and even the uncertainty, all of it become part of the story. Because sometimes the best adventure aren't ones that you perfectly as planned. They are the ones that surprise you.